just hit 200 miles. Whoo! What a blast. 200 miles on this modified to hell and back Razor RSF. What have I had to do so far in 200 miles? I had to replace the front rotor and the little holder. And other than that, in 200 miles, I've cleaned the chain 2 times. And I've gone from a 13 tooth to a 14 tooth back to a 13 tooth. Oh, and I had one tire pop 2 times. That's it. That's it. In 200 miles. That's it. No oil changes, no spark plugs, nothing. Just turn it on and go. 38 miles an hour is my max. I'm not really concerned with going any faster than that. It's not fun to gamble my life for another 10 miles an hour to go nowhere. Because the name of the game for these things is to just enjoy yourself, right? I mean, I know there's a lot of you that get together and you guys get competitive and you want to race. That's cool. But you guys are doing it in a safe environment for the most part. But trying to get somewhere, doing 50 miles an hour from one side of town to another, that's not the wisest choice on a Razor. But other than that, I am super duper happy with it. No problems. The blinkers work, tail lights work, shock works great. I've lost weight, so I have to change the rebound. The front shocks work fantastic. Now that I've lost weight, I don't need to get thicker springs. And the headlight's been amazing. The 12-volt pack I've been using is fantastic. I'm certainly happy with it. Yeah, I mean, it's been a blast. I'm sure you guys have similar stories, but I'm willing to hear them. Send me a link.